Hello everyone, in this video we are doing a review of the Tim Hortons roast beef and cheddar sandwich. This is one of their new menus. They have a caprese sandwich. That's it there. So there's like a chipotle sauce on it. There's some roast beef, American cheese, tomato, and lettuce. It's all on this cool little bun. I've never had one of these before, so I'm excited to try it out. Roast beef's not my favorite, but this is the one that they had there, so I went with it. I'm gonna get right into her. So there's a lot of flavor going on there. It tastes similar to some of their other stuff that they have. It's not like a sandwich too much because the roast beef's not that big. You mostly feel the bread. The bread's got a nice texture, and the bread's actually really good. I like the bread on it. A little bit of crispy lettuce. But it has a familiar taste to some of the other stuff. Like, I'm not quite sure what to put my finger on it to say what it tastes like, but it's good. The roast beef's not the most amazing flavored roast beef. That's why it's got the sauce on it. And the sauce truly makes this. The sauce is not, it's kind of tangy, like chipotle. Not spicy, but flavor. Lots of flavor. Not too bad. So the sauce gives it most of its flavor, and that's kind of what we want. The bun's toasted nicely. Roast beef's good. The roast beef doesn't have a whole lot of flavor, but it's good. With the sauce and the lettuce, it all kind of comes together nicely. I'll have one more bite and then I'll do my final review. The sauce on the inside bag too. So, yeah, I like most about this actually is the bun. It's toasted. It's got a good texture. It's kind of crisp and crunchy. Looks buttered. The roast beef itself doesn't taste like amazing, but with this chipotle sauce on it, makes it good. The cheese is nice. You can't really taste it too much. The lettuce is good. And yeah, I would give the steak and cheddar sandwich from Tim Hortons a 7 out of 10. I like that it's got some sauce on it to give it a flavor, and it's not like a gross sauce. Usually whenever companies try to create like a unique sandwich, they put weird things on it, but this one's not weird. The flavor of the sauce matches well with the roast beef, and it's not that bad. Isn't the most greatest thing I've ever had there, but overall it's not too bad. I liked it, so 7 out of 10 for that cheddar roast beef and cheddar sandwich, the caprese sandwich, something like that. New item. Couldn't really find out much information on the internet, but that's what we got there. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like and subscribe button below, and I'll see you in the next video.